I'm so full. If you happy and you know it, clap your feet. If you happy and you know it, clap your feet. If you happy and you know it and you really wanna show it, clap, 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 clap your feet. Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today we are in Aix-en-Provence, which is the city in the Provence region and which used to be a capital of the Provence before. We went there and we came back. Technically हमारा कट गया because we booked the ticket for the wrong station, and when we went there we realized okay, it was an airport and it was an outer area, and then we checked the ticket and there was no ticket. And then we had to take additional ticket to come back at the same time because our return ticket was during the night, and that's why we couldn't go there. And I think we'll not be going for the rest of the 2 days. We're going to be here in Marseille. We are in Marseille and my mood is really off because that was the only ticket that I booked from my own hands. All of the other tickets had been booked because I kept on sending him the links and then he checked them before, and this was the only ticket I booked, and I can't even do one thing properly.
तो करना, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर.
We are gonna be here in Marseille, so it's already like 4 or 5 in the evening. We are planning what to do. So the thing that we are going to do, the first thing is we're gonna try the pastis de Marseille. I have already tried pastis before, like 1 or 2 times, but then I didn't like the taste of it because it's very similar to absinthe. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna try the pastis here, but we are gonna go to try the pastis now because we have just like evening left. So what better way to finish our evening than to drink pastis? I am so irritated with myself. मेरा ऐसा मन कर रहा है मैं बीच में जाऊँ और डूब जाऊँ. Because I have made so much plans. Okay, we're gonna go to the Aix-en-Provence. We'll see the Paul Cézanne art gallery and all of the places where he used to make paintings. Say what? Painties, pasties. What am I saying? All of the places where he used to make paintings, and then to see the Fondation Valenciennes, all of the museums. And then there was this thing, I wanted to get the Calaision, like the biscuit. The Calaision, it's a dessert. It's originated from the region Aix-en-Provence, and it has the biggest factory. Like most of the supply of Calaision is made from that factory. So we thought of going to that place also, but maybe I'll get the Calaision from here in Marseille itself. So let's take you to pastis and stop my ranting about myself and how stupid I am. Because this is me. I am stupid. Where are we going? I really don't understand people who can't see the map properly. So we were on our way to La Maison de Pastis to get our pastis, but we saw one boulangerie, and then I asked them that do you have fougasse, because I've been searching since the time I've come here in Monaco, Nice, everywhere in all of the boulangerie I was searching fougasse, but nobody had fougasse. I'm like, okay, is it the thing that I wanted to try? Does it actually exist or not? And this boulangerie I asked, they're like, okay, yeah, we have fougasse. And then we finally got our fougasse. Nothing exciting, it's just the bread from Côte d'Azur region. Try. So this is fougasse. We have gotten it after 4 days. Now we are gonna try it. It's actually just bread. Actually good. Yeah, how it's tasting? It's like a hybrid of croissant and brioche, but remove the little bit sweetness from both of them because it's not sweet at all. There's a little garlicky flavor. So now we are in front of La Maison de Pastis. So before buying the pastis, let me tell you something about the pastis. So what exactly is the pastis? So pastis is a French national drink, and it's kind of an aperitif and sort of a spirit-based drink, which is the major flavor in them is anise and licorice. And it was invented by Paul Ricard because for 17 years absinthe was banned here in France, and because of that ban they invented a similar sort of drink, pastis. And once and then they really enjoy this drink. The flavor of pastis is very much similar to Greek drink called ouzo, and because I think the anise and licorice both have the sort of flavor which is used in the Mediterranean cuisine also. So I do not enjoy pastis so much because of its similarity to absinthe. We're gonna try something from here, and then now I'm gonna tell you how the local French people like to drink pastis. Let's go. Let's go. So now we are on the beach. We biked almost more than like half an hour, 45 minutes to reach to this beach. It was around like 3 miles or something. And we're gonna try the pastis. Like the pack we got like 2 pastis, the prestige one, and then we're gonna try this. And then we have other 3 also. They have a different composition. They all are from La Maison des Pastis. So you're supposed to drink it like 1 part of pastis and then 4 part of water or 5 part of water. Some of the bars give like very strong, but I would not recommend that. So we're gonna try this again. I'm not measuring it properly. I'm just winging it. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part.
Don't get into the calculations there.
It's actually tasting nice. Maybe this one is better. Wait, let me just show you the view. It's so peaceful. Cheers. It's not close to port, so we cannot see a lot of yacht. I like this beach better. You can't believe like it's almost 8. It's like 8 p.m. right? Yeah, it's almost 8 p.m. and it's so sunny at the moment, because in the afternoon or evening it was too sunny. We didn't even dare to come to the beach. So we're gonna enjoy here, and this is it for the video. And if you ever come to Marseille, do try the pastis from La Maison des Pastis. I have had it before, but this time I liked it. So if you're gonna have it like for the first time, you will surely like it. But we're gonna enjoy the pastis, and then we're gonna have a lunch and snacks, which we have. So if dinner, yeah. So if this video is ever going to make on my YouTube, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. And